Everything I do it with a passion. If I gotta be a bitch, I'ma be a bad one. Yeah. I'm AI with the designs, do rag. I came to win, to fight, to conquer, to thrive. I came to win, to survive, to prosper, to rise.
Everyone, it's Michelle back from Michelle's Empire. Hey everyone, it's Michelle back here again with another video. Today's video is going to be my Valentine's Day decorations, or my Valentine's Day tree, my seasonal tree. I want to explain to you where I got everything and how I made them. Mostly everything was from the dollar store, except these little small hearts here were from Michael's, a box of like 20 for something. So I'm going to be doing a seasonal tree every season, hence the name. I already have the Easter stuff. It's gonna be super cute. I'm looking forward to doing a Halloween one, like a very spooky one. I just wasn't ready to get rid of the Christmas tree. I love the lights. I love looking at them in the evening time. So what better way to have an excuse to keep up your tree than to decorate it for each season? So we'll start off from the top here. This was from the dollar store. It's actually something to hang on the wall. The wreaths, all from the dollar store, some red ones with little hearts, the big pink ones with hearts, and then I made my own ornaments. I make Christmas ornaments, so I had some of these left over. So if anybody has this idea in mind, when it's Christmas time, stock up on these clear ones because you can use them for any season, put anything you want in them. For this one in particular, I purchased the pink and red sparkly hearts and just stuck them in the container along with some little stickers. And then for these ones, how I created this was I used floor cleaner, put it inside, swirled it all around until it was coated, and then dump out all the wetness. You don't want it super wet. And then any color sparkles you purchase from the dollar store that you want, I did pink and red. You just stick the sparkles in the ornament, swish it around until it's fully coated, and that's it. You have a sparkly ornament to suit any occasion. I also made a pink one. And then we have some big hearts, pink ones, red ones, also again from the dollar store. In the next clip I'm going to show you a tree skirt I made and how I made it and everything I used. So here's an overview of the tree skirt that I made. I used a piece of felt that I found at the dollar store. Everything you're seeing is from the dollar store, so we'll get a little bit closer. These rhinestones from the dollar store, one pack for $2, did the entire tree skirt. This also from the dollar store, Be My Valentine. I thought it was a really cute touch. And all of these are stickers. These sparkly stickers. These rhinestones as well are stickers. So everything was quick and easy to apply. And there you have it, my beautiful tree skirt for Valentine's Day. All of this together was maybe $20, $25, so it's really affordable. And I just love it. It's so pretty. My daughter actually is suggesting I keep this up for Christmas. She loves the color combination. And I'm just excited to see what else I can do with this tree for every season. If you enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos if you want to see me, and until the next one, bye!